The Glenduan is a rocky beach situated 10 minutes from Nelson City. It's a marine reserve, which means that you can't go fishing, but it's a great place to go swimming and surfing. It has an excellent park for the kids to play on, as well as a soccer and rugby field nearby. It also has toilets, rubbish bins, and cell phone reception. There is no camping available on location, but it's a great place to make a day trip. And it's if you want to walk to Cable Bay, it's a good place to park your vehicle. You can fly drones here as long as you have permission from DOC. It is not in controlled airspace, so that means in order to fly drones without any sort of permissions, you need to stay below the high tide mark of the beach and fly over the water only. Don't fly over the road or over other people's houses. Let's have a walk around and see what we can find. So Cable Bay is strewn with this stuff. This is a New Zealand flax, and the reason why it's useful to people like me is that it's really strong, and you can weave it. You can weave it into different well, you can weave it into rope. You can make it into baskets. Basically, whatever you want to do with it. You know, it's just such a useful plant. Yeah, let's see what else we can find. It's a big swampy area. I can hear ducks, but I can't see them. Look at these big structures that people have built. Now that is so creative. Look at this. They've used like the mossy stuff on the ground to create a pillow. Look how huge it is. I'll go in just so you guys have a scale. Like, I'll point you up. It's massive. People are so clever and creative. I can see I've got some more stuff over here. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's a fire pit maybe. No? Not quite sure. Plenty of dandelions. Make some dandelion tea. I forgot what this is called, but you can make tea out of it as well. You know what this is? This is a deadly nightshade. So if you catch your dog or your kid eating that, you're in trouble. What else we got? This is a manuka. So off the bark here, it's really easy to create fires. Really good tree for starting fires. You can see it's mossy as well, so you get kind of every level of tinder. And you listen. I'll put it by the mic. So listen to this. Really good wood for making fires. Driftwood as well. Cool, yeah, so that's the Glenduan, just a quick look at it. Cool, so I've torn the meniscus in my knee. Tomorrow I'm getting an MRI for it. But it's starting to play up. All that walking is starting to make it weak. So I'm gonna head home. Hey, I'm at home. I didn't really record an ending for my video. I'm editing it right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the Glenduan. A really cool place to go if you're a tourist, or even if you're a local in Nelson and you haven't gone there yet. Hopefully this video has given you a bit of an idea of what it's like. If you want to see more videos like this, there'll be heaps and heaps of these videos coming. Subscribe to this channel, help me get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That'd be awesome. But I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.